Hi, I'm Dennis.
I'm Mrs. Goh. Okay, first I'm using this Renopedia to do the online quotation. At first it's just an inquiry. Yeah, I sent in, then next day, more than 5 ID companies start calling me. This specific one is my second one that I go for so-called face-to-face discussion because it's very near to my previous house. I think it's what you say, the chemistry. Yeah, it's really a chemistry because I think this lady about 30 plus and can blend in well with my daughters. You know, when we have a discussion, right? The suggestion given is that something that we can take. Yeah, even though I propose my idea that she will suggest. Even though I buy furniture, I also get her idea. Color, like all the fans, design, all the whatever thing, then she will give me frank feedback. Second utmost important is her collaboration with the contractor. It's very important. You can have a very good idea, but contractor cannot make up what is expected now. It's a disaster. Yeah, I will recommend this lady called Bernice. Her idea is really something that you can go with, that she will not force you to do this and do that. For example, all my platform, because I told I really need space. I really need space, and you can see from here, there is no storeroom, no nothing. So we compromise and think of the way sometimes you spend a little bit more, but I think it's something I need. Okay, if time permit, don't rush. Don't rush to do your renovation, seriously, because after you renovate, you need to check, you need to inspect. But once you move in, I tell you, it's a big hassle. Like for example, I see some floor, but I cannot. I have to compromise to take in, because if I allow the contractor to come in again, my house will be very dirty.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.